I'll take the toy away.
What?
I'll take the box away.
Okay.
You never play with it.
Okay. Come here.
What's it?
Come here. Come here, please. Grant,
I got hide.
you gotta hide.
Yes.
Okay, come here.
I got hide.
Grant, what's your name?
I got hide.
How old are you?
3.
What's your brother's name? No, what's your brother's name? Where is he? What do you want? You want an apple bar?
Yes.
No, you can't have one. Is that your tantrum? That's your tantrum? What? Yeah, I see. Bennett did make that. Bennett made it at school. Mhm. Are y'all hungry?
Yes, we are.
Mommy's making you dinner right now.
No, Dennis.
What? Bennett.
Cheese.
What are you saying? Hey, are you cute?
Yeah. I got high.
Okay.
You probably.
I did.
You laughed me.
I see your underpants.